Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to install DirectX graphics tools on Windows. So guys, if you are using Windows 10 PC or laptop and you want to install DirectX graphic tools, so follow me, click on Start, then Settings. Now left click on Apps. Here left click on Optional Features, this one. So left click on it. Now click on Add a Feature. In this list, you need to navigate Graphic Tools. Check this box, then click on Install. Now wait for a while till this process will be complete. Once it's done, so as we can see in this list, Graphic Tools, this adds DirectX Graphics Tools support. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by this super easy method we learn how to install DirectX graphic tools. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.